Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCSA exam question is configure NTP with server RHEL9svr.example.com. Let's start. The host name of this system is client.example.com. Let's check the IP address of this node. This is the IP address 192.168.220.199. CIDR is 24. Let's check the network connectivity with RHEL9svr.example.com through ping command. Okay, perfect. But before communicate any network connection by server name, you must edit the etc host file. The first one, server IP and server name. This entry is must for this practice, and the second entry for the client itself is optional. I have already saved this file. That's why I am closing this file without saving. Now type the following command to open configuration file of Crony service. Type hash before the following line which start with full word to disable it. Now type the following line, use server name according to the question and add the iBurst option so that Crony make and update the clock sooner. Save and exit. Restart the Crony service. Let's type the following command to check the NTP source. Perfect. As per the question, RHEL9svr.example.com is now the NTP server of this system. By this following command, you can verify the NTP or Network Time Protocol service status along with few details. Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope this video was useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to boost us to make more knowledgeful tutorial videos. Thank you.